Hi, gold traders. Last week saw gold finally hit the much talked about 3,000 level. Now, if you cast your minds back to just after Trump's presidential win last November, many gold bugs began incessantly speaking about how gold would imminently hit that 3,000 level. But we posted some cautionary advice on a number of occasions that we believed it would print 3,000 just before the end of the first quarter of 2025, and with a heck of a lot of account busting whipsaw before finally getting there. And that's how it played out. Last Monday, we uploaded a YouTube video highlighting a couple of key levels and red flag data releases. We mentioned that a break in strong close above 2,930 would see gold play in a new upper range. And that's exactly what happened to allow gold to finally leap to 3,000. We also mentioned in that video that although we tend to be very keen on preparing for consumer sentiment data releases, our analysis was indicating that the effect on the market of the consumer sentiment data last Friday would be different to the US CB consumer confidence that shook the market on the 25th of February. That was an effect that we had forecasted in a YouTube video on the day of the release. We stated that last Friday's consumer sentiment data release might not cause a similar effect because the market was likely to be exhausted by the end of market close the day before. As you can see on the H1 chart here, after the parabolic move last Thursday, price did not need to go much higher to hit the 3,000 level early Friday. And when it did, it was pretty exhausted by that point. And hence, when the consumer sentiment and inflation expectations releases came out later in the day, there was not much of an impact. This week is going to be extremely interesting because we are not only trading around an all time high that has been fueled by trade war concerns, but we have a key FOMC event this Wednesday, including the headline Fed funds rate, as well as the FOMC economic projections and the FOMC press conference. After that event, we will have a clear idea of where gold is headed next in the near term. If you would like to see a forecast video discussing the latest all-time high and the next major gold play, please leave a comment after watching the video. Until next time, take care.